paint a cuddly cat. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Art Journey channel. Today, we will have so much fun creating a portrait of our cuddly cat. Materials: a big piece of paper, paintbrushes in different sizes, a big one for the face, and some smaller ones for details, a cup of water to keep our brushes clean and juicy, and of course, lots of fun paints. We can use any colors we like: white, brown, black for the kitty's fur, and any color you like for the background. Let's paint the background. First, let's give our cat a colorful background. We can use our biggest brush and paint a big splash of color all over the paper. Maybe a bright blue for a sunny day, or a cool green for a grassy field. Let your imagination decide. Now for the face. Okay, now for the star of the show, our kitty. We can use our white paint to make a big circle in the center of the background. This will be our cat's head. Time for the ears. Let's add some cute little ears on top of the head. We can use 2 small triangles on either side of the circle, painted in pink or any color you like for the inner ear. Let's make those eyes shine. What's a cat without bright eyes? Use your smallest brush and black paint to make 2 big dots in the middle of the face. Maybe add a tiny white dot in the center of each black dot for a sparkle. Don't forget the nose and mouth. Almost finished, artists. Add a small pink triangle below the eyes for a cute nose, and a little black line below the nose for a happy kitty smile. Add some whiskers. Our cat needs some whiskers. Use your white paintbrush again and make a few short lines on either side of the nose, like little hairs. Show off your artwork. Look how amazing your cuddly cat looks. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to paint. The most important thing is to have fun and be creative. Perhaps you can add some stripes on your cat next time, or make it hold a ball of yarn. Thanks for joining me on this art journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art lessons. We'll see you next time.